Hello everyone! In this fourth video dedicated to the HubSense universe, we will see the second part of the configuration. Indeed, the HubSense system is configured in two steps. The first step, via the cloud, is explained in video number 3. For the second step, you will need a smartphone with the free application HubSense Commissioning, which is connected to the internet via a minimum 3G network or Wi-Fi network. That Bluetooth is activated, to be on site with the HubSense product installed and powered on, and your HubSense login and pass used in the previous step. In this demonstration, we will use the iPhone version. This second step simply consists of locating each device and placing it in the corresponding zone. Once on site, launch the application and log in. You will find the list of projects as in your cloud account. Open the corresponding project, then the part of the network to configure. Click on the first zone to configure, here for example, the management office. The application displays the products assigned to this zone. For the moment, no product is in it. Press the More button. The application will search for all HubSense products within direct range of your phone. You can increase or reduce the sensitivity of the phone's Bluetooth signal. Select a product. If it's a light fixture, it will start flashing. If it's a single sensor or button coupler, a small LED will start flashing on it. You can identify the products by their names for ease. Here we have just added the CEO Office dongle. We then add the button coupler to the same group. Press Done, and here it is. The CEO desktop is ready to go. It's possible to rename, for example, the office lights for ease. When products are in a zone, it's possible to test this room to verify that everything is working. Then simply do the same with the other zones. To add an Inertian button, we turn to the zone to be controlled. Select the luminaire physically closest to the button, then check the Inertian box. You will simply need to flash the QR code on the back of the button to automatically add it and have it control the entire zone. And if you have added the wrong product to a zone, simply select it and click on the trash can to remove it from the zone. As soon as you have added all the products to the corresponding DOM, you can use the lighting directly. Some messages may still appear later. For daylight calibration, you will need to equip yourself with a lux meter. Via the application, you can then increase or decrease the lighting, then note in the application the value displayed on the lux meter, so that the sensor is calibrated. If you make a change via the cloud to the parameters, the application will then indicate to you that devices need to be updated. This simply allows the new parameters to be loaded into the product. This product location step is simple. You just need to allow the necessary time depending on the number of products to be located. That's it! Your system is ready to be used. If you want to go further, you can watch our 5th video dedicated to the AppSense universe. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.